commercial offices. 2005-2010 મેગા ટ્રેન્ડ ચાલુ થયું કે ઇન્ડિયામાં આઈટી સેક્ટરનો વ્યાપાર બહુ ખૂબ જ સ્પીડે વધતો. પછી જીસીસી આવ્યા, જેવી રીતના કે મોર્ગન સ્ટેનલી હતા, ગોલ્ડમેન સેક્સ હતા, એક્સેટ્રા એક્સેટ્રા. આ લોકોએ નહીં તો ઓલમોસ્ટ 1 લાખથી 1.5 લાખ લોકો માટે જોબ ક્રિએશન કર્યા. ભાઈ જોબ માટે યુ નીડ ઓફિસ સ્પેસ, અને એ ઓફિસ સ્પેસ જે ક્વોલિટીનું ઓફિસીસ આપણી કન્ટ્રીમાં હતા ત્યારે were not adequate to fulfill that kind of growth. So with Blackstone, now global know-how, Blackstone as a country, as a company globally is almost 4 decades old. तो टेक्नोलॉजी नो हाउ लाव्या, के रीतना मोटा कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस पार्क बनावीए, के रीतना ही चलावाय ने ए रीते करता करता इंडियाનો સૌથી મોટા કમર્શિયલ ઓફિસ લેન્ડલોર્ડ ડેવલપર બન્યા.
The portfolio is spread across 45 assets and Chief Executive Officer of Horizon Industrial Parks. Kunal Shah is our Chief Financial Officer. Taruna Mahajan, she's the Chief Marketing Officer, and we've got Prapti Zaveri, who's the Head of Investor Relations. આ ઇશ્યુ માટે અમારા બુક રનિંગ લીડ મેનેજર્સ છે જેએમ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ, એક્સિસ કેપિટલ, આઈએફએલ કેપિટલ, એસબીઆઈ કેપિટલ અને 361. ફ્રોમ ધ બેન્કર સાઇડ આજે હર્ષવર્ધન શાહ છે, એ એક્સિસ કેપિટલ માટે થી આવ્યા છે. So before we begin, let me show you a quick હું દીપા છું and I lead communications for Blackstone in India. આજે અમે અહીંયા Horizon Industrial Parks માટે આવ્યા છે. Thank you for joining us for this press conference. તમે તો Blackstone ને ઓળખો છો, but India's largest financial investor, more than $50 billion AUM under management since inception. Real estate side ma, we are the largest landlords across office spaces that I told you, retail assets. This is our logistics and industrial warehousing platform. Hospitality हमारे पास hotels भी हैं, data centers and residential. So everything real estate, and we as Blackstone have a share in the pie, or literally own a large portion of the pie. हमारा 15th IPO છે, and this is the 7th IPO for the real estate side. અહીંયા એક ક્વાર્ટર પહેલા હું અહીંયા આવી હતી આ સેમ સ્ટેજમાં. That was for
We've been a significant investor in logistics around the world for more than 15 years. Today, supply chain reconfiguration, the rise of large-scale manufacturing hubs in India, and the e-commerce boom are reshaping logistics and industrial networks. A professionally managed pan-India platform backed by a talented management team.
India is one of the world's fastest growing manufacturing and consumer markets. Government initiatives like GST, PLI, Make in India are formalizing supply chains.
Today with distinguished leaders who have played a pivotal role in shaping this platform. To just quickly highlight on the issue details for you, the issue is entirely a fresh issue of equity shares aggregating up to 2,600 crores with a face value of 10 rupees each. The issue comprises of 1946 crores for QIBs, which consists of 1168 crores in the anchor portion and 778 crores in the main book for institutional investors, 389 crores for HNI and non-institutional investors, 260 crores for retail investors, and 5 crores reserved for eligible employees. The price band is set at 57 to 60 per equity share. The anchor book opens on 14th of August, Friday, and the bid and offer period runs from 17th of August to 19th of August. That is Monday to Wednesday next week. Just another detail that added to this IPO is the already completed primary raise of 1650 crores through a private placement in December 2025, prior to the filing of the RHP, from investors like Radhakrishnan Damani, SBI Life, and 360, amongst others. I will now invite the management team to share their journey, vision, and study.
etc. All of them literally gets represented. You know, the best part is Horizon is known to you as Ahmedabad. In fact, અહીંયા અમદાવાદમાં અમારા તો બે ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ છે. We own a mall here called Alpha One Mall. એ પણ Blackstone mall છે, અને અહીંયા Horizon નું પણ facility છે. So if you go towards Baila, right? Then, yeah, right. We have a SIG plant over here. So you've seen most of our assets, and even from a commercial office perspective, at the GIFT City, Blackstone no અહીંયા પણ office parks chairs.
Mentioned it, so it feels so nice to be back here in just 3 months, right? After a very successful Bagmane REIT IPO, which was back in May 2026. Like most of you would already know, Blackstone has been a big believer in India's growth story and has been a pioneer in bringing the institutional capital to India. We were the first one to start the dedicated real asset fund in India, launched India's first REIT in 2019, launched India's first retail REIT in 2023, and taking the same legacy forward, we are launching Horizon Industrial Park, India's first pure play industrial and logistics IPO, offering investors access to some of the country's best performing assets managed by some of the best in class team. Horizon Industrial Parks as a company and in the sector, the logistics sector, is not new for us. Globally, we have been investing in this for more than a decade. And today we own about billion square feet across various markets, be it Europe, US, Japan. We are present pretty much across geographies.
જાણીતું છે ઇન્વેસ્ટર ફ્રેટર્નિટીમાં, પ્રેસ ફ્રેટર્નિટીમાં, જનરલી મીડિયા કમ્યુનિટીમાં 20 વર્ષ થયા બ્લેકસ્ટોને ઇન્ડિયામાં એન્ટર કરે. જે દીપાએ કીધું $50 બિલિયન એટલે કે 4.5 લાખ કરોડ રૂપિયા ઓલરેડી ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરી ચૂક્યો છે બ્લેકસ્ટોન આ કન્ટ્રીમાં. બ્લેકસ્ટોન અગર અલગ કોર્પોરેટ હોતે તો આજે ઇન્ડિયાના મે બી ટોપ 5 કંપનીઝમાં એનું નામ આવતે. આ રિયલ એસ્ટેટના સાઇડથી 7મો આઈપીઓ છે. બાગમાને તમે જોયું હતું લાસ્ટ ક્વાર્ટર. એની પહેલાં તમે નોલેજ રિયલ્ટી રીટ જોયું હશે, એનબીસી રીટ જોયું હશે, માઇન્ડસ્પેસ રીટ જોયું હશે, એન્ડ આઈ કેન કીપ ગોઈંગ ઓન એન્ડ ઓન. બટ બિટવીન રિયલ એસ્ટેટ અને પ્રાઇવેટ ઇક્વિટી બિઝનેસમાં 15મો આઈપીઓ હશે બ્લેકસ્ટોનનો. અને એનો ટ્રેન્ડ તો તમે જોયો હશે કઈ રીતે આઈપીઓની પહેલાં અને આઈપીઓના પછી પણ બ્લેકસ્ટોન કન્ટિન્યુઝ ટુ ડિલિવર શેરહોલ્ડર એક્વિટી, વેલ્થ ક્રિએશન ફોર ધ જૂના ઇન્વેસ્ટર જે હતા એ તો ખરે જ, પણ ઓલ્સો ફોર ધ ન્યૂ ઇન્વેસ્ટર્સ. તો as I said, I will now jump into Horizon Industrial Park.
Start with the introduction, please.
So hi, this is Urvish Rambia, CEO of Horizon Industrial Parks, a Blackstone-owned company. We are coming up with the IPO of Horizon Industrial Parks now. This is going to be the 7th real estate listing from the stable of Blackstone, 15th overall from Blackstone, including a private equity business. Very exciting time for the company. This company has grown almost 6-fold in the last 5 years, and with the industrialization trends, with the e-commerce trends, with the consumption trends, which are only accentuating further, we are very excited for what we call our Horizon 2.0 growth going forward. We are very excited to also invite our new investors, our public market investors, who hopefully with us will also get an opportunity to ride the wave of growth, not only for Horizon, but also the institutionalization which is generally occurring in the sector today.
So, what are your Gujarat plans?
Ma'am,
Future
our Gujarat, in Gujarat we are already present as a group across offices, across malls, across industrial and warehousing facilities. We are very excited about the increasing consumption and industrialization trend in the state, and we will continue to look at opportunities going ahead as well.
So, what are your expectations from Gujarat for the IPO?
Expectations of Gujarat are always high. When it in fact came to bringing the best of infrastructure to the country, Gujarat has always been the first. Bringing the best of people to the country. Who can forget Shri Narendra Modi ji, right? So, Gujarat has always given the country a lot of first. I think expectations from Gujarat will be that with our IPO playbook, Gujarat will also be the number one investor in our company.